Shalom, everyone. This is Tanya with Herbal Soul, Homestead, and the Herbalist. So I just wanted to give a quick update about our greenhouse. It's under revamping. Um, we don't want the grass, obviously, to take over the actual floor of the greenhouse, which is something we're learning as trial and error as we go along. So we had put some organic vinegar type of weed killer down and kill the weeds, and then we put the wet cardboard over it. So it seems to be working pretty much, but some of our plants in here and herbs got exposed. This is all organic, but they didn't respond well to the overwhelming smell of vinegar. So they're trying to recover right now. So these are our onions here. Pepper tree, still recovering. So hoping and praying that it comes back full bloom like it once was. Our oregano. We got a new sprouts coming in, so that's good. Here is our basil. Basil is hanging in there, sprouting some more. Cilantro is starting to come back. And strawberry tree or plant doesn't work well in the greenhouse. As you can see, we do have a fan going from time to time. We're in southeast Texas, so of course it's very hot and humid. So we're going to move that somewhere and figure that out soon. Tomato plants didn't do well with the overwhelming powerful scent of the vinegar blend weed killer. It was organic. So, but it's starting to come back around. So patience, patience, patience. More of our struggle onions here, and basil struggle, but it's coming back. Okra tree is hanging in there, so very grateful. This is a great experience for us, and yeah, thank you so much, and